Quick and easy designing is what this is all about. You might want something for in your bathroom or just a little something in your bedroom. Well, I think that this design I'm about to share with you is one of the quickest. It's just called Simply Orchids. So what I've done here is I've got 2 bud vases and I've just put a little bit of orchid bark, or you could put some soil, some stones, some sand, whatever you've got into your inside of your vases. And it's just a matter of getting 2 little orchids, and I do adore these orchids. Don't put, when you're putting whatever you're putting into the inside of your bud vase, don't put it in too tight because you'll have issues getting it in. So one's a little bit higher than the other, and it's just a matter of putting those together like that. How easy is that? And I love these little roots that they've got in their wee leaves. A complete picture, almost like a still life.